Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, where we bring you the latest, greatest, and sometimes the boldest from the world of cars. Today, we've got a fresh one straight off the production line at the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-3. This compact crossover has always danced a fine line between fun and functionality, and now in 2026, Mazda claims it's taken the game to the next level. So, buckle up because we're about to take a deep dive into everything this new CX-3 brings to the table and what it might mean for the future of small SUVs. Exterior. Right from the jump, Mazda's Kodo design language continues to shine. At the front, the 2026 CX-3 wears a bold, refined face that blends aggression and elegance effortlessly. The grille has grown slightly, with a 3D mesh pattern and thicker chrome outline that gives the crossover a wider stance. Mazda's signature wing elements stretch into the slimmer, more angular LED headlights that now come standard across all trims. These aren't just for show either, as the adaptive lighting system actively responds to road curves and incoming traffic to optimize visibility. A resculpted bumper, integrated with sleeker air intakes and subtle matte black cladding, finishes off the front with the sporty yet premium look. Swinging around to the side, the silhouette stays loyal to the original CX-3 shape, but now it feels more confident. Sharper character lines run from the front fender through the doors, catching light in all the right ways. Mazda has slightly increased the wheelbase, giving the CX-3 more presence and improving cabin space without sacrificing its nimble footprint. 17-inch alloy wheels come standard, but higher trims ride on freshly designed 18-inch two-tone wheels that really pop, especially paired with new exterior colors like zircon sand and soul red crystal metallic. Matte black wheel arches and rocker panel accents maintain the crossover's youthful vibe, while the thin chrome beltline adds a touch of class. From the rear, Mazda's minimalistic approach continues to deliver. The taillights are slimmer and more defined, now using full LED illumination with a new horizontal layout that enhances width perception. The rear bumper is slightly reshaped with a faux diffuser look, and dual exhaust outlets are cleanly integrated into the lower edge. The CX-3 badge is now positioned lower and more prominently, while a subtle roof spoiler rounds off the design with the sporty edge. Even the antenna is being streamlined to a sharp fin design to match the vehicle's sleek profile. Interior. Stepping inside, it's immediately clear that Mazda isn't playing games when it comes to elevating the interior experience. The 2026 CX-3 now uses more soft-touch materials than ever before. The dash layout has been simplified and decluttered, bringing a strong sense of refinement and focus. A larger 10.25-inch infotainment screen sits proudly atop the center stack, powered by Mazda's latest interface, which is now faster and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below that, the climate controls are cleanly arranged with tactile dials, giving off a premium, driver-centric vibe. The instrument cluster is part analog, part digital, with a 7-inch display that shows customizable information such as navigation directions, safety alerts, and trip data. Higher trims even include a head-up display that projects key info right onto the windshield. Seating has seen a solid upgrade. Front seats now offer better bolstering and optional heating and ventilation. In typical Mazda fashion, driving position is spot on, with excellent pedal alignment and steering wheel adjustability. Rear seats have a bit more legroom thanks to the increased wheelbase, making them genuinely usable for adults on short to medium trips. Cargo space has improved slightly as well, offering 18.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats and up to 44.0 with them folded down. Performance. Now let's talk performance, a category where Mazda always likes to inject a little zoom spirit. The 2026 CX-3 is powered by a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 191 horsepower and 186 pounds-to-feet of torque. This is a nice bump over previous iterations and gives the CX-3 a lively personality, especially in city traffic. The engine is mated to a refined 6-speed automatic transmission that prioritizes smooth shifts and responsive acceleration. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but an updated all-wheel drive system is available for those who want extra traction or live in snow-prone areas. On the road, the CX-3 remains one of the most agile compact crossovers in its class. The steering is precise, offering excellent feedback through corners, and Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system ensures smoother transitions and better grip by subtly managing engine torque. Suspension tuning strikes a great balance between comfort and sportiness. Whether you're weaving through tight urban streets or cruising along the highway, the ride remains composed, confident, and quietly athletic. Fuel economy numbers are also competitive, with the FWD model expected to return around 30 mpg combined, and the AWE version slightly less. Mazda continues its strong push on safety as well. The 2026 CX-3 now includes Mazda iActive Sense as standard across all trims. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Higher trims also include a 360-degree camera system and traffic sign recognition, providing an extra layer of confidence for everyday driving. Let's talk pricing, arguably one of the most crucial aspects in this segment. The base CX-3 starts at a very approachable $24,300 for the S trim with front-wheel drive. Move up to the mid-tier Select trim, and you're looking at around $26,500, which adds features like heated front seats, a sunroof, and upgraded interior materials. The range-topping premium trim, loaded with all the bells and whistles including leather upholstery, navigation, and the full suite of driver aids, comes in just under $30,000. Add AWD, and you're looking at an extra $1,500 across the board. In today's compact crossover market, that pricing keeps Mazda highly competitive, especially considering the level of quality and driving satisfaction on offer. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Mazda CX-3? Well, it's clear Mazda has taken the best aspects of the previous generation: sharp handling, sleek design, and upscale vibes, and refined them even further. It may not be the biggest or flashiest in its segment, but what it offers is a genuinely premium experience in a compact, affordable package. For drivers who value aesthetics, dynamic driving, and attention to detail, the new CX-3 continues to be a standout choice. It's not just another crossover, it's a Mazda, and that still means something. Thanks for watching today's review on Turbo Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Mazda CX-3, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-octane reviews and the latest car trends. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned, stay curious, and as always, keep it turbo.